Hello again everybody, welcome to an eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Titanium box break number 38. Here's the last team up for auction. Here's Edmonton. Serial number is a little tough to see. Just rip this open. There we go. NE 181 214 901. So let's get on with the break. Good luck, everybody. Pack 1. We have base and base. We have a game worn gear jersey card for the Bruins of Tuukka Rask. And base. Pack 2. We have base and base. And we have a game worn gear jersey card for the Capitals of Nicholas Backstrom. And base. And pack number 3. We have base and base. We have a Hat-Tricks triple jersey card for the Carolina Hurricanes, Zach Boychuk, Jamie McBain, and Justin Falk, number 152 out of 199. That card goes to the Hurricanes. And base. Pack 4. We have base. And we have a base parallel for the Toronto Maple Leafs of Jonas Gustafsson, number 93 out of 99. And we have a New Wave auto for the Minnesota Wild of Justin Falk, decoy, and base. And the final pack. We have base. We have a short print rookie for the Montreal Canadiens of Aaron Palushai, number 9 out of 44. Nice hit for the Habs. And we have a nice dual jersey and autograph. It's a home jersey, 26 out of 100 of Cody Hodgson. This card goes to Buffalo. Nice hit for Buffalo. And to finish it off, base. So just so you guys know, we do have a titanium 8-box case ending on eBay in a few days. It's a team style, so you just bid on your team, but it's an 8-box case if you're interested. Also, we have on our website, breakawaysc.com. If you go to our website, we have a live team draft style titanium 8-box case break as well. It's $33 a spot. So if you're interested, you can check us out. And thank you very much again for watching. Hope to see you again next time.